Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Welcome back. In this quarantine time, you are doing well, I think. So utilize this time properly for your learnings and all. And take care of your safety. Guys, so the situation is very dangerous in India now. Day by day, the cases are increasing. I hope you're taking care. Take care of your loved ones also, especially for old elderly ones and kids. Okay, without wasting the time, let's jump into the topics. Before that, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. My channel name is Happy Tech Trainings. Happy Tech Trainings. So please subscribe to this channel. Okay. So today's topic is very important and very interesting topic as well. So that is OOPs features, object-oriented features. What is this, guys? So we would have heard this buzzwords many times. So you would have heard like ops, oops. Yes, it's a buzzword, oops. So oops full form is object-oriented programming features. Okay, object-oriented programming. So this is the oops features. So, what are there? What are the OOPs features? We'll list it down. First one is class, we have already covered, and then object. Class and object is also the features of object-oriented programming. And then the next one is encapsulation, and then inheritance, and then abstraction, and then polymorphism. So these are the OOPs features, guys. So mainly, how many? Six are there. Class and object encapsulation, inheritance, and then abstraction, polymorphism. Don't worry, guys. We will not be completing in this video alone. So we are going to have another maybe five, six videos. Maybe I can say 10 videos also. Let's see how long it goes. But these are very important concepts. And then while covering these concepts, we'll need to cover other concepts also. By that, you'll have a full understanding. Most of the topics will be covered here actually. So encapsulation. So class and object we have already seen that. And then now we will be seeing encapsulation and inheritance little bit. So this topic will go on. Okay, maybe at least 4 or 5 videos I can make on this. After that, so you'll be able to understand like 30% of Java you'll be able to understand once you are done with this. Means all the programs I'll explain, each concept I'll explain with the program. Okay. Without wasting the time, then we have already seen class and object. Now let us see the third part, which is what is that third part? Third part is encapsulation. What is encapsulation? So, see if you divide this part, there is a capsule right till here. What is this? Capsule. So this is in general what is capsule, guys? So we'll have a small um, this kind of thing. This is my capsule. Inside this medicine will be there, right? So this is my medicine. This is my medicine. So this outer layer is covered with the capsule, but inside what is there? It is there medicine. So what is this outer layer is doing? Two things, guys. It is doing two things. What is this outer layer is doing? So this capsule on the top layer we are calling as a capsule. Inside that it is their medicines. So there are two benefits it is giving. So what is that first benefit? It is binding the medicine together. binding the medicine together. Number one, use, and then it is hiding the medicine to the external world. It is hiding the medicine to the external world. So nobody can see the what is there inside until unless you break it or something you do. Then you will be able to see, okay, inside this there is a medicine, right? So these are the main two things this capsule is giving. This is this is in general terms. So if you take a capsule, this is a capsule. So this capsule, so at the top layer I'm saying as a capsule, inside that generally there'll be medicine. So this capsule, what it is giving, it is binding that medicine together, and then it can have multiple medicines also, right, inside. Like some part of this much percentage of sodium, this much percent of potassium, like that. I'm giving some example, guys. Sodium chloride is there, are some medicine. So it can have multiple medicines also. It is multiple medicines, it is binding together, and then it is hiding to the external world. This is the two features this capsule is giving. Exactly same, guys, in Java also. So in Java, in a class, what do we have? In Java, we'll have classes, right? In Java, we'll have classes. What does those classes gives? So what does that class contains? Class will contain a state. So class will contain a state and behavior. This is my state of the class. So states are properties, right? And I have a behavior also. So these behaviors are my methods. Behaviors. Behaviors are my methods. So this is a class, right? On top layer. This is a class. So this class is binding both state and behavior together. This class is binding both state and behavior together, and it is hiding to the external world also, right? So hiding to the external world, there is a next topic, we'll be covering scopes actually. So there are scopes in Java. Scopes are access specifiers. They call as scopes or access specifiers. You might be already knowing as private, public, protected. All these things are scopes in Java. So using scopes, we can restrict our state and behavior to the external world. We'll be seeing that, guys, later. So as of now, what is important for us is how are we getting this encapsulation in Java? We are getting encapsulation in Java using classes. So class is the primary thing which is binding the state and behavior, which is exactly our capsule also doing. Capsule is doing binding the medicine together. Here in Java, what is the medicine? State and behavior is the medicine. This we are binding together and keep it in one byte. This is the first example which we have seen, first feature we have seen. And the second feature is it is hiding the medicine to the external world. Hiding the medicine is so using the scopes in Java again class only using the scopes. So it hides the external worlds. So you take guys anything in this world, it will have an encapsulation. You take our body. Inside our body there are so many organs, right? Like heart is there, liver is there, stomach is there, abdomen is there, and then bones are there. All these things are covered with what? Skin. So skin is giving the encapsulation for our body organs. Exactly same way in Java, class is binding everything together and then hiding it. So class is the thing which is giving encapsulation. Class is giving encapsulation. right? So as I told you, so we have to about um, discuss about the second part, right? To understand more the second part, how are we getting the 100% hiding? How are we? So as of now, we have not given to hide. Everybody can see the state. Everybody can see the behavior, right? So we'll be seeing once we have that access specifiers. So we'll be seeing that how does it hides the data and behavior, the state and behavior to the external world. This is the first feature, guys, encapsulation. So encapsulation. So for example, now any class you take. So let us write a class. So this is one class, employee class employee. So in this employee class, what we will have? We will have some features. Employees can have features, right? Employee can have some features. What are those features? What are the features we can give is like employee ID, int ID, and then what is that? String name. These are just some of the features, guys. So I'll not write other features. So because of the space constraint here. So what is the actions here? He can work. Void work is the action. So what is it this class is doing? Class is binding this all this state. This is the state of an object. This is the behavior and object. The class, the entity, both together. It is binding, right? So this is a encapsulation. In Java, encapsulation is given by whom? In Java, encapsulation is given by my class. I hope you understood this, guys. So stay tuned to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Please share to your friends. Please comment on the videos. Please ask what are the topics you wanted to listen. What are the topics I have to cover. Whichever is useful to you, definitely I'll try to cover it up, guys. So this is encapsulation. So stay tuned to it. Next session we'll see, as I told you, the scopes. Once we see the scopes, then you will be able to understand. We'll see inheritance, and after that we'll see the scopes, guys. Thank you.